Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This is the Meenumix MGS001N garment steamer. So let's have a look around the box. And now let's open it. So this is where you hang the clothes. It opens like this. Can't see anything from there. Let's get all this out of the way and let's have a look inside. So this is the user manual and accessories. We'll have a look at this is the hanger, and let's get it out of the way. So let's first have a look in this parcel here, in this nylon bag. Oh, there's a glove that you will wear so you don't get burned. Let's have a look here. We have this thing. What is this? Well, okay, let's begin with the user manual. And okay, let's have a quick look so we know how to assemble this. So as you said, this is the hanger. And this is a brush. Let's open the steamer up. This is the power cord. And this is a steamer on the top. This is the on and off switch. Here, unlock, open, unlock, and let's see how can we. Okay, so we will take this part off, open it here, fill it with water. We will close this. And you will put it here. You align this part with this part here, and it will lock into place. This will fit over here. Okay. This is a hanger where you can hang close while you steam, and this will go here. This part will go here. Yeah. Okay, and then you open, and then you close them from here. This is it. And this is how it is assembled. And you will have this while you steam. You will hang it here. So this brush head fits. See how it is? We'll put it like this. Up, yeah, it's fixed. And so this is for cleansing. After using the product for about 100 to 200 hours and the steam rate may become smaller than usual, it needs to use this disencrustant to clear the dirt in order to extend the life. Fill the water tank with 1 kilogram water together with 5 to 6 grams of this disencrustant. Then lock the water tank. When the disencrustant dissolved, put the water tank into the hose, plug the power for about 20 to 30 minutes. There must remain some water in the tank, then turn off the power. You can read about this. Okay, and this is the protective glove. And this must be a cover. So these are all the things that comes with the steamer in the box. See you next time. Bye.